A newspaper is torn, restored, and examined.
3 or 4 times. It's never been torn at all. It was just an illusion.
Ever since my book, Stage by Stage, came out, magicians have been asking me for a video tutorial teaching my torn and restored newspaper, the Examiner Special Edition. And I get it. It probably is easier to learn this effect from a video rather than a book. So I thought, why not? We can make a video download and share it with the magic community. But now, we're doing more than that. We're giving you everything you need to learn, perform, and master this effect. You'll get the video tutorial. But you'll also get the Examiner Special Edition gimmick that makes everything awesome. You'll get the marker and a preset newspaper to make your learning even easier. And it all comes to you in this little container for your prop management. It carries everything you need. Throw it into your case, and you'll be ready to add this effect to your show at a moment's notice. Even into your close-up case, since you never know when you'll be faced with a bigger crowd than you expected. As a magician, you'll no doubt appreciate that the newspaper is given away at the end. As a working performer, you'll equally value the 1-minute setup with no glue, no wires, and no magnets.
Once or twice, 3 or 4 times. It's never been torn at all.
This simple effect delivers a strong impact.